Okay, the transmission is ready to go into the Porsche. What I did was I put the new throwout bearing, I greased everything, I greased that, greased the pivot point, reassembled everything. You know that the clutch is in, and I also cleaned the trans up as best I could from all the gunk. I don't know where it was picked up, so let's get it in there, okay? Okay, the transmission lined up. I think it's tilted in the right angle. I think it's pretty close to where it's supposed to be. Maybe just a little bit more, and then we're going to rotate the shaft as we push in. Let's double check. Yeah, maybe just. Okay, transmission's in. I'm using a long extension with a wobble to tighten up the bolts by hand before I put any torque on it. So that's it, and then we'll torque it down.
Hello,
transmission's in. Okay, I got the transmission support brackets back in, Loctite. These Loctite as well. Torque them back. Put the clutch back in. I gotta hook up the wiring harness, hook up the half shafts on either side, and the transmission is back in. Oh, and by the way, we'll hook up the shift linkage as well over here, and then that's pretty much it for this job. Okay.